now you have a whole home water softener. Most likely, we're going to look for EcoWater on this particular one. In case it's leaking, in case you have a problem, sometimes water's coming up out of a floor drain. That means that your drain's not working right, but this unit could be putting a lot of water down that drain, so people get all nervous. So we want to be able to show you how to bypass this water softener. God forbid it starts leaking anywhere on the valve or it's pouring down the side. It's pretty easy. They've made it like almost knucklehead proof. All you have to do is push this rod from one side to the other. You just put your hand on that big handle side, push it, little button pops out on the other side, and away you go. Now the water is literally coming in and turning right back out. It's not going through the whole system. So that's really, really important to note. Sometimes people have other type of systems that are out there. Here's another really popular one out there. It's called Clack Corporation. You can see there are two red valves. Both of them, turn them right, and now the water will go in and come right back out. Remember, it's now perpendicular to the water line, so it's going to stop it from coming in and makes it go back out. So that's another very, very, very popular product on the that we have sold. If you have an older style unit, again, here, take a look at that bypass valve. This is really, really old. It has a brass valve, so you push it from one side to the other, the button pops out. Very, very common. Now, lastly, we're going to come over here, and this AutoTrol is another popular product. This one, again, has two valves on it. Notice if they're parallel to the pipe, that means it's bypassing and the water's coming back in. If it's pointing at it, and they're old, so I'm not able to get them to be turned in. There we go. That means the water's going into the water softener. So if anything's leaking here, or even if you have a problem with the floor drain, you can bypass the water equipment in case you think that that's causing the problem. All of these are just simple ways for you to go ahead and bypass the water equipment. Then after that, once it's bypassed, it gives you time to have us out, maybe on a Monday or a Tuesday, so that we can help you diagnose and find out what actually went wrong. If you have any further questions, you can always call us at 847-382-7800. I'm Drew with Angel Water, and I'm here to serve you.